Hello everyone, welcome back to Caring Guy. If you're looking for a lightweight, powerful, and beginner-friendly GPS drone with a high-quality camera, today's video is for you. This is the L500 PRO 4K GPS drone, and in this video, I'll walk you through its design, camera quality, flight performance, smart features, and who this drone is really for. Let's get started. The L500 PRO features a foldable fuselage design, making it compact and easy to carry. When unfolded, it measures 32 by 32 centimeters, and when folded, it shrinks down to a travel-friendly size that fits easily in a backpack. What makes it even better is its lightweight build under 250 grams, which is great for portability and convenient flying in many regions. In the air, the L500 PRO really shines. It offers an impressive flight time of up to 25 minutes thanks to its 7.4-volt, 2200 mAh lithium battery. With brushless motors, the drone delivers smoother flight, better stability, lower noise, and higher efficiency compared to standard motors. The control range goes up to 1.2 kilometers in open areas with no interference, giving you plenty of freedom to explore the skies. The drone is equipped with a 4K HD camera and a 120-degree wide-angle lens, perfect for capturing landscapes, travel shots, and aerial videos. Using 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, you get real-time video streaming directly to your phone, with low latency and stable signal. Whether you're shooting photos or recording videos, the footage looks sharp, clear, and smooth for a drone in this class. One of the biggest advantages of the L500 PRO is its GPS functionality. It includes one-touch GPS return, so the drone can automatically come back if the signal is lost, the battery runs low, or you simply press the return button. There's also GPS Follow Me mode, where the drone intelligently follows your movement, making it perfect for outdoor activities, travel videos, and vlogs. This drone comes packed with smart features that make flying easy and fun. You get gesture control, allowing you to take photos or start recording video with simple hand movements. There's trajectory flight, where you draw a path on the app and the drone follows it automatically. You also get fixed point surround, speed adjustment, altitude hold, and stable hovering for precise control and smooth shots. The remote operates on 2.4 GHz frequency and offers up to 3.5 hours of battery life. You can also control the drone through the mobile app, which allows real-time viewing, flight mode selection, and quick sharing of your photos and videos directly to social media. The L500 PRO is a great choice for beginners, casual drone pilots, travelers, and content creators who want GPS safety features without spending a fortune. It's easy to fly, stable in the air, and packed with intelligent functions that help you get professional-looking shots with minimal effort. Overall, the L500 PRO 4K GPS drone offers excellent value for its price. You get long flight time, reliable GPS, strong brushless motors, and a capable 4K camera in a compact and lightweight design. If you're looking for a smart and affordable GPS drone, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Caring Guy. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest tech reviews. See you in the next video. Happy flying!